military, those of you who are either serving actively, those of you who are veterans who previously served, maybe family member or friend who's serving. I just don't think we can ever say it too many times. We want to thank you and your family for your service and your sacrifice. And for me, it's an honor to have you on board and look after those of you who committed yourself to look after us. We'd also like to welcome on board those of you who work in the healthcare field and those of you who serve as first responders.